Bubble gum, such a joy in my mouth.
I feel a tingling feeling in my body down south.
What is love not compared to? Ha? Bubble gum. Ladies and gentlemen, Ariel and Papu, palakpakan natin silang dalawa.
Love is like bubble gum.
Araw-araw akong pumupunta sa tindahan. Hinahanap ko doon ang aking nararamdaman. Inside the different garapon and jars,
Sometimes near, sometimes far. Nagpunta ako sa tindahan ni Aling Biring. Sinabi ko, kailangan ko ng ngunguyain. Bubble gum, such a joy in my mouth.
I feel a tingling feeling in my body down south. Is this love or is this lust? Is this merely a desire that I let go I must? Aling Biring, where is your anak?
Kami kasi ay merong masamang balak. Pupunta kami sa pinakamalayong lugar at kami ay magtatago at mula noon magsisimula ng isang buhay na bago. Ako at si Sarah, hand in hand chewing bubble gum.
Until we blow a big bubble and burst it using our thumbs. Sumambulat ang chewing gum sa aming muka, parang nang nagmamadaling pag-ibig namin ni Sarah. Kahit gusto naming tanggalin ang pag-ibig, it's dirty, it's sticky, the feelings have become too big. Sarah, Sarah, Sarah.
Sarah, ang sarap ng bubble gum mo. Kinuha ko ang bubble gum ni Sarah at pinasok sa aking bibig. Ito'y aking nginuya at
Sa aking dibdib siya'y aking ikinabig. I blew the bubble gum in front of Sarah's face. And suddenly, our hearts began to race. Hinawakan ko ang kamay ni Sarah at ang kabila niyang kamay.
At mula noon kami ni Sarah ay nagsama na habang buhay. Love is like a bubble gum.
Palakpakan natin si Papu and Ariel.
Oh, Spit Manila.